Hi guys, Kevin with EA Home Design. We are at another one of our projects that we recently completed. It's a master bathroom, and I'm gonna go walk you through and explain a little bit of what we did. Here was, or before was also a dressing area, but a little bit wider, and it was a very tight shower behind a small shower, but which we bumped it back into the dressing area. We still got the dressing area, um, but and make the shower bigger. We're gonna go and see how it is. And the tile is all porcelain tile on the floor. And the door, because of the space, to save space, we changed it to a pocket door. This pocket door has a soft close. If I let it go up to here, it just closes by itself. It just closes by itself and it disappears. It becomes one open space. Coming in, there was a tub here, wall to wall, which we took it out, we put a freestanding tub, and the homeowner wanted all black faucets. All the accents are black here. The back wall, it's a mosaic, it's a penny round mosaic in matte. It looks pretty nice. And as we move to this side that you can see, there. The vanity, we replaced the vanity with much nicer vanity handles, 2 sinks, double sink, 2 mirror, towel rings, toilet, and a much bigger shower with frameless glass. If you look at the frameless glass here, this is a custom frameless glass. All the accents, handles are black. If you see even the hinges, everything is black. You try to match with the faucet and all that. Hexagon mosaic tile on the floor, shower floor, and the same penny round on the back wall, which accents this shower pretty nicely. And we have a small niche back here for shampoo and stuff, which on the back of the niche we have the same mosaic as here. Very nice bathroom. We added recessed lights on the ceiling to make this bathroom pretty bright with dimmers that you can adjust if you want. Love this bathroom. It's very nice, and you can look at this video and let us know if you have any comments, any questions. If you have a bathroom similar to this, if you need help with the design, just let us know. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.